many elephants? How many elephants? 18 elephants. How many tigers? How many tigers? 10 tigers. How many gorillas? How many gorillas? 8 gorillas. How many giraffes? How many giraffes? 11 giraffes. How many lemurs? How many lemurs? 12 lemurs. How many parrots? How many parrots? 14 parrots. How many snakes? How many snakes?